everyone, how's you all? I hope you all are good and safe. My name is Rimbi Gupta and today we are going to create this makeup look for Diwali. This is very simple, elegant and basic look and you gonna love this video. That is one thing I'm sure about it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just start with today's video. And before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe it first and also hit the bell icon nearby it so you can notified every time whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, without any further blabbering, let's just start with today's video. For prepping up my face, I am using this Good Vibes ka Rosehip serum which I applied it off camera. Then moving on to the primer, I am using this Swiss Beauty ka Pearl Illuminator Makeup Base. I am applying it all over my face. Primer helps to create a barrier between our skin and products that we use for makeup. Then moving on to my base, I am using this Acme CC cream. It gives me medium coverage. Firstly, I applied it with my hand because Beauty Blender absorbs so much of our product. After massaging for 1 minute, then I blend it with the Beauty Blender for the seamless finishing. You can clearly see the difference. Now the base look more seamless, and don't forget your neck area too. Then for my concealer, I am using this NYX ka concealer and I am in the shade 02. It's a cream based concealer. I'm just covering my under eye area and I just filling the V in. I'm also applying it on my eyelid so that it can gives the base for my makeup. Don't blend it so harsh, blend it with the light hand. I am blending it very gently so that it can absorb, so that my eyes don't look ashy after some time. Now to set everything on place, I am using Maybelline foundation. This foundation also comes in 3 shades, so you can choose according to your preference. Now for the eyebrow, I am using this Swiss Beauty ka kajal because I didn't find my eyebrow pencil, so I applied it very gently because eyebrows plays vital role in our makeup. Only do gentle stroke with your light hand and that's it. Now for the eyeshadow, I am using this Swiss Beauty ka Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and I am using this shade to give the depth to my under eye area. And I am doing it very lightly with my ring finger only. And then to cover it up, I am using this Swiss Beauty ka Brick Highlighter and I am using the 3rd shade. As you can see, this is so pigmented and I am also applying it very gently because I am gonna apply 3rd layer too of this. Now from the eyeshadow palette only, I am using this glittery shade just to add a pop of color. Using highlighter palette, I also highlight my inner corner of the eye to brighten up my eyes. Now for the eyeliner, I have 2 options. I am using this NY Beka eyeliner because it's my current favorite. I applied my eyeliner off the camera. For kajal, I am using this Lakme Iconic Eye Kajal. Just applied it lightly. And for the lipstick, I have 3 options. First, this L18 Colourpop Matte, then is this Blue Heaven Intense Matte, and the third one is Inside Ki Matte Lip Ink. I am using this L18 Ki matte lipstick. This lipstick is very gentle on my lips. So for the highlighter, I am again using this Brick Highlighter to highlight my cheekbones. I also applied this highlighter on my nose and my cupid bone also. This eyeshadow, I must say, is very pigmented and this product is also affordable. I will link all the products in the description box below so you can check for yourself. Now this is how my final look turned out. For today's video, I hope you all like this video. I have a great time making this video and filming this video for you guys. I hope it will serve the same for you as well, and I'm gonna come back very soon with my new video. Till then, stay safe, love yourself, bye.